What's up? Hi. Hello. Another makeup tutorial with interesting facts. So the first fact is octopuses lay 56,000 eggs at a time. Octopuses keep their babies inside of them for 6 months. Crazy. And it's 56,000 of them. Second one is turkeys can blush. Yes, they can blush. The pale skin on their head and neck turn red, blue, or white when they are excited. The third one is your nose and ears never stop growing. Yes, indeed. It just never stops. But everything else about you continues. Movie trailers used to play after the movie. Not pay, but play after the movie, which doesn't make any sense to me. Because if you're watching the movie, I wouldn't want to watch the trailer promoting it afterwards. It just sounds stupid. It's really stupid, to be honest. Apparently, Theodore Roosevelt had a pet hyena. A pet hyena. I don't think I could have ever had a pet hyena. Pet hyenas, that's like, one, that's like kind of inhumane to me. Two, it's really annoying to hear people laugh already, so why would I want to hear a hyena laugh? Because that's how basically they sound. They just sound like they're laughing, and that's just annoying to me. Right now I'm applying my orange eyeshadow very aggressively, like I usually do. Same thing, whatever. Now, the inventor of the microwave appliance only received $2 for his discovery, which doesn't make any sense to me. To think that a person who's created something so amazing, so cool, so innovative, to only receive $2 for it, that's kind of insane to me. It really goes to show how unappreciative people really are. Well, I hope that they gave his descendants, I don't even think he had children, but whatever, his descendants, hopefully they gave him the money. I would have hoped so. If they didn't, then that would really suck, because their great-grandfather or something just didn't get any money for his beautiful creation. That's where I make my bagel bites, bro. I feel like the person who made those microwaves needs to get credit, because that's how I heat up my bagel bites. It's just unfair, honestly. Right now, I am putting on pretty little highlighter. Really, really shiny. Now I'm doing my eyeliner. It's so hard to carry a camera, but at the same time do eyeliner. It's very hard doing eyeliner as it is, so just the fact that I have to add another extra task for me to do as I'm doing a very hard extra task for me, it's just hard. Yes. This is like a part 2 because I couldn't figure out anything else because I used my creative juice for other things other than this. So yeah. But right now I'm putting on eyeliner underneath my eye. Just a little cute design for my eyeliner look, because I'm creative like that whenever it comes to eyeliner. Then we're just gonna apply some more eyeliner because we just can't leave just one there, we need to have a duo apparently. And then we're gonna put on some mascara. Yes, it's just so hard putting mascara on also at the same time. Ew, clumps, gross, nasty. But yeah, it's really hard doing this. But it doesn't matter because, I need to get this grade. So, look at that. I need a new mascara. Don't bother me with the mascara. Anyways, so turkeys can blush. I did not eat turkey at all for Thanksgiving, which is the usual thing to eat for Thanksgiving, but I didn't do that because turkey's nasty to me, honestly. Turkey sucks. I hate turkey. Octopus is, like I said for the first fact, they lay 56,000 eggs. I can't imagine having 56,000 children inside of me. For the first fact, they lay 56,000 eggs. I can't imagine having 56,000 children inside of me. That must suck. Alright, I'm done now.